Hey guys, it's Jin, and in this video I'm gonna very quickly show you how to create your YouTube channel art to make sure that it looks good on the mobile, desktop, TV, and tablet devices. That was my initial struggle, so I thought I'm gonna learn, do, and teach. Let's go! So first of all, go to canva.com if you're not using this site yet. It's amazing one for social media posts, for all the channel arts, for anything really related to your online business. So definitely a must-go site. It's free to begin with, and if you ever need like advanced options like having your own brand kit, then it costs about $7 per month. But it's absolutely fine to start for free. So just go to create a design, and we're going to use custom size, which is going to be 2560 and 1440 pixels, which is the size of TV, regular TV, and click create new design. So this is our size. Now I would like for you to download this sheet, which has indicators on exactly what sizes are where. So I'm gonna just click uploads on the left hand side, upload media. You can find this file. I'm gonna add in the description below. You can download it and you can upload this file on Canva. So once it's done, then you just go ahead and drop it into your file that you just created. Now here, I'm gonna go to elements and just grab a line. I'm gonna extend the line and I'm gonna draw all the borders here. So one, then I'm gonna click duplicate, another one, then I'm gonna duplicate, I'm gonna turn that around because now I need a vertical one. So I'm gonna just quickly drag that, keeping the mouse button, and then just make sure that it's in the right place. And now I'm gonna duplicate this one, just click here and drag it here. And then one more time. And then one more time. It will indicate for us the sizes, so we will know that in the middle is actually where all the important text and images has to be. So now I can click on the image on the background here and click delete. So I don't have that one, but I do have the lines for me in Canva. Now maybe you would like to add some background color here. Just click on the background anywhere, click on the background color icon here, the colorful one, and here you can enter the code of your color if you know it. I'm gonna choose just my own brand color. And now you might want an image so that people can connect with you, so that people can recognize you everywhere. And yeah, I like having your own image because I think people connect with people. So you can go ahead, make the right size here. Once the image is added, you can add some text. So just click text on the left hand side, add a heading, and I'll maybe say I support and say your niche. So for me it's spiritual entrepreneurs. And then adjust the size. So I'm going to reduce the size. I'm going to make it all capital letters. I'm going to change the font to my brand font, and I'm going to change the color as well to one of my brand colors. And then I'm going to still adjust it to make sure that it's seen clearly and really well. Maybe slightly smaller still, so let me do 41. I think that will be better. And now you can use any kind of elements that you find, so just explore some lines. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna change its color to one of my brand colors. I'm gonna reduce the size, add it somewhere here. And now you can add a subheading as well. So I'm gonna go text, add subheading. Now you can add how are you supporting them. So for me is to create an online business that you love. And again, I'm gonna reduce the spacing in there, reduce the text size, adjust your font, adjust the colors of your font. And once you feel like it's ready, you can delete those pink lines and download your channel art. and that's going to be the right size. Now, if you wanted to make it a little bit more sophisticated, then I would recommend you using Photoshop. And for that, I'm going to show you just very quickly how I created this. So you see I have this transparent things coming up. So for this, you might need to register for Adobe Photoshop. They do sometimes have free trials. So if you're not in a position where your business, can have many subscriptions, then I would just log into the free trial, create your channel art, and then just cancel your subscription. So I'm going to very quickly show you how to create the gradient so that the whole image looks more like one image. So when we are here, I would recommend you for now, delete the text and download this file. Now in here, you might need to find the gradient tool. It might be hiding here if you click Control on these three dots, Edit Toolbar. You can find sometimes it in here if it's not in your toolbar. So here it is, and then just done. You can also see all the settings in there. So it's circular, rainbow. Then as you see, it's a half transparent. It's the first option here, normal, opacity 100%. I've got transparency ticked as well. And now you can just click add a new layer on the bottom right hand corner, and you will see layer 2 appearing. And as you see, you have like a little cursor, and if you keep your mouse clicking and just drag across bit by bit, the color will appear. So you can do as strong as you want. I like to keep those corners hidden so that it doesn't look like the image is just added on. So I'm going to quickly adjust these things. This one is a bit too much, so I'm going to click Command Z to go back and just do a little bit less. I'm going to do from this side as well, a couple of times, and then from the bottom too. And once you're happy with it, just click File, Save As on your computer, and then make sure that the file is PNG or JPEG. Click Save. Quality 6, okay. And I'm gonna come back to canva.com. I'm gonna click Command Z in here so that the text comes back, or you can click backwards, undo in here. So we've got the text back, but I'm gonna delete this background image, and I'm gonna delete this background too. I'm gonna go to Uploads, Upload Media, and make sure that I upload that image that I just created. Once that's done, just drag it across and make sure it's in there. And there you go. So now just download it and upload it onto your YouTube channel. So just go to your YouTube channel, and here you will have the photo camera icon. That's where you change your picture. So just click on that, go change, and upload your image that you just created, and as you will see, it will be absolutely perfect on all devices. So if you found the video useful, make sure you click the like button, let me know about it, click the subscribe button for all the further videos that will support you on the journey of creating your own online business that you truly love.